Hey guys, if you missed my video yesterday on why most blogs fail, you definitely want to watch that one because you want to make sure that you don't fit in that category. But watch that one after this one because today's video is going to be about why Google is the best source of traffic, and the reason is because it has purchase intent. And what I mean by that is that when a lot of people are searching for different things on Google, they're just looking for the answer to their questions. So what I'm saying is, like, if you're trying to find a good coffee maker, you don't know where to go, so you Google it because you know that there are bloggers out there that have done their research and they have figured out which ones are the best coffee makers out there. So you Google it and say, what's the best coffee makers out there in 2022 or something like that, if you want to be very specific. And then you want to find your answer. And that's how a lot of bloggers make their money, because they do the research, they provide you with the answer that you want. If you click on that coffee maker and make a purchase, then that blogger typically will earn a commission, because that's what affiliate marketing is. It's basically when you refer a product or a service using a unique referral link. If someone clicks on your unique referral link and makes a purchase, you're gonna earn a commission from that. And that is how I make the bulk of my money. And that's why I love Google, because people who are searching for different things on Google, most of them at times are at the purchasing stage. They know that they want to buy something, they just don't know which product to get. So they depend on people like you and me to provide those answers to them. And that's it. That's why this is gold. If you can just answer people's questions, giving them recommending good products and services to what can solve their problem, you're in the business to make money. So I try and find like low competition keywords. I'm going to show you guys this example. I've done this before in a video. I asked the question, or I found that the keyword "what to get for a new puppy," it fit my criteria. So as you can see on the screen right here, this is the KW Finder "what to get for a new puppy." So you can see that this is still easy, and 830 people search for this exact question every single month. Now, what I like to see about this is that if someone is searching for what to get for a new puppy, they want to get a new puppy something, so they just need to know what to get them. So if this were me, I would go to Amazon, because just so you guys know, everyone can typically become an Amazon affiliate partner. Most people shop on Amazon anyway, so it's a great affiliate program or network to be a part of, because people already have their credit cards with Amazon. It's just a one click. They don't have to really second guess it. They already trust the platform. So I use Amazon a lot when it's for things like this, that I can recommend, that I know I won't get a lot of apprehension from the user trying to figure out, what should I buy from this company or not. It's usually when it's Amazon, it's a yes. So you always want to think about what most people will do. Not if you don't like Amazon, that's you, but you got to think about what other people want to do. So yeah, so for example, so I would see what to get for a new puppy. That person wants to buy something, so I would make a list of different things to get for a new puppy on Amazon. I do some good descriptions about it, why they should purchase them. And then if they like my ideas and they purchase something, then I will earn a commission. So that's how this all works. Now, I also want to show you guys too that it's really important to stay in your niche, because as you can see, these are the articles that are showing up in the first page of Google. And these are all dog related. You can just tell by the names of these blogs. They're all dog related type of blogs. So Google, they want to know that you're an expert in a certain area. So it's good to just kind of to niche down, or niche down, however they say it. It's good to niche down, because you're going to stay in your wheelhouse. Google will say, oh, this must be their website that's an expert in this area, because they're probably not going to have a blog like mine, which is about work from home jobs, on the first page of Google about what to get for a new puppy. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure that when you're writing your articles too, that you're staying in your lane. So just keep that in mind. And this is what it's all about. So this is why Google is the absolute best source of traffic, because you're getting people who are ready to buy. And if you can answer their question and give them the reasons why they should buy a typical specific product or a service, they're going to do it. And that's how I make the most money on my blog. And that's why I want you guys to know why Google is the best source of traffic that you can get. So hopefully that all made sense, and hopefully that gives you even more reasons to say, okay, I'm going to figure this out, because this is proven and it just makes sense. I mean, I always say, think about how you use Google. We all use Google for different things, or for reasons to get the answers to our questions. So because of that, if you can answer people's questions in your blog articles, you can make money for years and years to come. especially if these are low competition keywords that are not a lot of that aren't very competitive, where other sites are trying to rank for the same question. That means if it's it's not competitive, then you can rank in the search results for years and years to come for the same question that people are searching for, and just make money through affiliate commissions. So I hope that all makes sense to you guys. And I want you to make sure that you guys join me tomorrow, because I'm going to show you why you do not have to depend on any friends or family for this type of business. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and don't miss out on this video series, because I think it's going to help you guys on your blog journey. All right. And just, I don't know if I mentioned this before. I didn't mention this. I'm doing a launch event for people who want to grow their blog and take it to the next level using Google. And that's what I'm going to be introducing my course to. So if you guys want to be there, I highly recommend it. So I'm going to put the information. I can't talk. Put the information in the description below so you guys can check it out and sign up. Hopefully you can sign up today, because it's going to be September 8th, I believe. So, all right. I'll see you guys then, and see you tomorrow.